Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a rundown of some fantastic updates to Visp, focusing on important bug fixes and some handy improvements that will make your experience even smoother. Let's dive right in. We've been hard at work squashing bugs and enhancing functionality, so let's start with the fixes. We've corrected an error that occurred when checking the February 2025 date on status changes. So no more hiccups there. For those of you in the UBO beta testing with closed invoices, checking the recurring checkbox will no longer trigger the closed period prompt for your ISPs. This streamlines the process significantly. Next, we've addressed some issues related to reporting and data display, ensuring you have accurate and readily available information. Item ID and item code are now available as columns in the Subscribers with Recurring Line Items report. This provides more detailed information at a glance. We've removed the limit on site location options in the Add New Subnet dropdown under IP Management. Now, you'll see the complete list of site locations, making network management much easier. We've also added status, email, and package columns to the Marketing Source and Source Details report for more comprehensive marketing insights. We fixed an issue where custom radius attributes data of subscriber packages wasn't displaying correctly. This is now resolved, ensuring accurate data representation. When selecting Default for the eCheck option in Payment Gateway settings, the Continue prompt will now correctly display eCheck instead of credit card. A small but important clarification. We've implemented additional validations to prevent duplicate PayPal payments, addressing occasional issues caused by connection errors. This will save you time and potential headaches. We've also added validations to prevent subscribers from deleting their last card if autopay is required on the vPortal account manager. This ensures uninterrupted service for your subscribers. For enhanced security, an invalid symbol warning will now appear during vPortal signup and password reset when an invalid character is entered, if the restricted password symbol setting is enabled. This helps enforce stronger passwords. Editing a child equipment will no longer redirect you to the AP device after the update. The IP field validation in IRM edit equipment now resets correctly when the form is restored. The record count in the Add Subscriber Equipment list will now correctly display 0 if no items match the search. Assembly subscriber equipment now appears as a single item in the Assigned Subscriber Equipment list, simplifying equipment tracking. And that wraps up this update. As you can see, we're continuously working to improve Visp based on your feedback. We're confident these changes will make a positive impact on your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.